Hi, my name is Ryan and I've been teaching ESL since 2002. I've taught in a variety of settings, from business training centers to international schools to public schools, and I've taught students of all ages. I have been completely online since 2018 and I really enjoy it. My students fall into two distinct categories: teenagers, usually over the age of 12, as well as working professionals. The first group, teenagers. They've had some English at school, but would like to perform better on tests and assignments, and more importantly, actually have the chance to use the language outside of the classroom. We work step by step to ensure that the student has a solid foundation in speaking, listening, and reading, and then we introduce writing tasks and reading comprehension. To do this, I use a comprehensive lesson library, complete with reading passages, listening exercises, and grammar practice. There is also homework, which I review and I go through with the students. Of course, I like to keep it fun, so I add a variety of games and additional speaking activities. Now, the second group of students are working professionals. These include people in IT, finance, research, and even some members of parliament. These students are looking to improve their English for work, get a better job, or prepare to go overseas. More specifically, they are often looking to learn more advanced grammar and vocabulary so they can express themselves like they do in their native language. Some students want to improve listening skills to follow along in meetings or group conversations, while others want to become more confident in their ability to speak with native speakers. I help my students achieve these goals by first sending them a placement test. With this, I can not only see the level of my students, but I can see the weaker areas which need to be improved. In addition to this, during the trial, I meet my students and together we discuss their goals and needs, and I can make a learning plan for them. From there, students can preview the following lesson for self-study, and I'll give you some tips for learning vocabulary. During the class, we'll see the language in real context before looking at rules and definitions and answering further questions, before practicing using controlled exercises, comprehension questions, and really important, the opportunity to practice the target language freely using more realistic speaking situations. Homework will be given for further practice, and we will review the material we have learned previously. If you are interested in my lessons, feel free to book a trial. We'll learn more about each other, go over your level assessment, your needs and goals, and we can decide if this is the right way for you. Thank you for watching my video, checking out my profile, and I look forward to meeting you.